Hello everyone, this is page 38 of Alfred Basic Piano Library. So we're still on the issue of intervals. Remember, the interval is the distance between two notes or two keys if you want. So in this case, we're going to be talking about the third. The intervals are second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and octave, So at this level, but we are focusing on the third. So we're going to be skipping in this song. We're going to be skipping to third. So we're going to be skipping to third, like that. So we're going to be skipping to third. So we're playing this song, who is on third. Okay, so you arrange your fingers in the C position, and then you play 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Thank you. That's who is on third.